So here's part 3 of my winding a coil for an AM radio receiver, and here's my coil, and I have used a little bit of emery paper just to bare off the ends of the wire, and I've noted down in case I forget that I used 30 gauge wire and I made approximately 26 turns. My eyesight's not so good now and I wasn't counting all the time, but I think it's about 26 turns. And using an online calculator, I believe that should be something like about 173 microhenries. So let's see what we get using my cheapo eBay, I think it was eBay, multi-purpose meter. So let's see. Wow, that is pretty close, isn't it? So that is 0.2 millihenries, in other words 200 microhenries, and I was aiming for something about 173 microhenries, so that is, I would say that's damn good. I mean, I don't know how accurate this thing is anyway, probably pretty inaccurate, but the whole thing is not a matter of precision engineering, so I think that's going to be really good actually. I think that is looking very positive. It was very easy to turn as well, to do that on the lathe. I mean, it took me a little bit longer than I had expected, and I could easily make up a jig to make it even easier to wind the coil on the lathe. So I think, you know, overall that was really positive. If I wanted to make a much larger coil, I think it would definitely be worth the time investing a little bit more effort into having a fixture to hold the spool of wire. But anyway, overall, really happy. Let's just press it again, just in case things don't come out the same second time. There we go. Okay, 0.2 millihenries, 200 microhenries or thereabouts. We've also got 2.7 ohms. Okay, so that's it. I'm really pleased with that. Let's maybe move on to the next part, actually building the radio.